In this video, we are going to discuss the dangers of an essential oil burner. Let's get into the video. As discussed in one of our previous videos, using too much essential oil can cause the oil burner to set on fire. And whilst most people use an essential oil burner for the health benefits that they provide, sometimes it can have the opposite effect. Using essential oils for too long can cause headaches, and if you suffer from asthma, you should be cautious because it can trigger an asthma attack. It's important to know that if you diffuse oils for too long, the oils will break down and can burn. So this means you will no longer smell the nice scent, you'll no longer be getting any health benefits from it, and it'll become more difficult to clean up later. The place where you use the oil burner could be dangerous. For example, you shouldn't use an oil burner in the bedroom because you could fall asleep and it could catch fire. To avoid toxicity when burning essential oils, you should make sure that you use the oil burner in a well-ventilated area. You must make sure to only use 3 drops of essential oil per 100 ml of water, otherwise it could trigger respiratory problems. Finally, you should diffuse the oils in a larger room and try not to combine it with other pollutants in your home. Oils smell nice and can do great, but remember that oxygen is number one. Now coming up next, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips on how you can use your oil burner safely. So stay tuned for that, but first like this video and comment down below what question you have about oil burners, and maybe we will answer it in the next video. Tip number 1, never leave your oil burner unattended, not even for a minute. Tip number 2, keep the oil burner away from anything flammable. I'm talking about curtains, pillows, sofa, keep it well away. Tip number 3, use a coaster to prevent burning your surfaces. You don't want rings burnt into your coffee table. Tip number 4, always dilute your essential oil with the right amount of water. If you don't, it could smoke or catch fire. Tip number 5, never be tempted to use more than 3 drops of essential oil. It is extremely flammable. Anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you will really like this video on screen now, as it will show you the best place to keep your oil burner. Or alternatively, check out the playlist below. See you there.